Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove vid.io watermark. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened vid.io and I have created a video with vid.io and I'm going to download it. Wait, I'm going to click on the download menu and I'm just going to click on MP4. And then I'm going to remove the watermark guys. As you can see that if you want to remove the watermark, we need to subscribe to this website. But I'm going to give you tips to remove watermark. I'm going to go to I'm going to show you website to remove watermark. You can search for watermark remover and there will be some websites for you, but I recommend you to choose this one and we can upload our file. I'm going to upload the file from the vid.io. Okay, we can select the watermark area like this and you can keep adjusting. Okay, and once you're done you can click on apply. Okay, and now the watermark has been removed guys. This is the result, and then you just need to click on the save to save the result. Okay, and don't forget to click on save to save the video to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove a vid.io watermark. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.